Hi students, good morning. I hope all are safe and sound at home. Today, let us learn lesson number 6, God knows everything. First, let us read the lesson which is on page number 15. God knows everything, man does not. Man studies hard to gain knowledge. He becomes a doctor, a scientist, or an engineer. He may become a professor or an architect. Still, his knowledge is incomplete. Only God knows everything. He knows you and your ways. He knows what is in your heart. You cannot hide anything from Him. If you hide yourself in the thickest forest, He still sees you. If you lower your voice, He still hears you. Just think of anything and He knows it. You cannot keep anything hidden from Him. He always watches you and also hears whatever you say. He knows what is in your hearts and minds. God is all-knowing. Okay, now I will explain to you this lesson. Lesson number 6, God knows everything. So, our God knows, children, everything. Okay, as in your previous chapters I told you, God has created everything. Such a big mountain, a huge sky, beautiful sun, beautiful moon, beautiful land, different kinds of flowers, then stones, mountains, forest, fish, animals, everything God has created. Man cannot create these things. Only God can create birds. Only God can make dogs. Okay, God can make clouds and God can create you and me. We cannot create a single thing on this earth. Okay, only God can create air. God can create trees, fruits, whatever we eat. It is been created by God. Okay, no man can create these things. That's why God is great. God knows everything. We cannot keep anything hiding from God, for God can see everything. We may close the door and we may do some naughtiness in the house, but still that God can see. Okay, so God knows everything. So, even I was telling you all, if you all close the door, mommy or daddy won't be able to see you what you are doing in your room. Whether you are studying, whether you are playing, whether you are watching TV, or what you are doing inside, they can't see. Your mommy, daddy, or brothers, sisters, they can't see. But God can see you what you are doing in your room. Okay? When you are there at home, what you are doing, God knows already. We cannot see God, but God is there present and He can see everything what is happening. Okay? Even if you put off the light and it is dark in the room and you are doing some naughtiness in the room, that also God can see. You may think, children, that God, no one is looking at me. Mommy is there, gone somewhere else. Daddy is there sitting outside. So no one can see me. I can do what I want. No. Who can see you? God can see you. What all mischief, the misbehaviors, what you do, the naughtiness, what you do, all God can see. Whether you are a good boy, whether you are a good girl. Okay? God knows. So God knows everything. We cannot hide anything from God. Man does not know. So as I was telling, if you close the door and you do something inside, your parents may not be able to see from outside. Unless you open the door and then they come to see you, then they will know what you are doing inside. Okay? Man does not know. Man studies hard to gain knowledge, okay? To gain knowledge, to learn about different subjects, to learn about different topics, okay? Man studies hard to find out about the things. But God knows everything. For God, no need to study because everything God knows. Man becomes a doctor, a scientist, or an engineer. So, after studying very hard, man becomes a doctor, then scientist, engineer. Okay, he may become a professor or an architect. Okay, so after studying so much, then only man becomes or chooses one of the profession which they are good at, okay, it is their favorite. So like that, so man studies, but God knows everything. God is a doctor, God is a scientist, God is an engineer, God is a professor, God is an architect. He can design. So God can be anything, okay. God knows everything. Still his knowledge is incomplete. So man's knowledge or our knowledge is incomplete. Only God's knowledge is complete. God knows everything. Man does not know everything. Man may know or we may know few things. Okay, but God knows everything. Only God knows everything. He knows you and your ways. So God knows you what you are doing at this very moment. Okay, if you go to play outside, God can see you. If you sleep, God knows that you are sleeping. And when you are studying, God knows whether you are studying or wasting your time. God can see. Okay, He knows what is in your heart. So God knows what is going on in your heart also. Okay, we may not speak and tell what is happening or how we are feeling at that moment, but God can understand. God can feel God knows our heart and what is happening to us. You cannot hide anything from God. Okay, if you hide yourself in the thickest forest, He still sees you. Okay, we cannot hide anything from God. As I was saying, if you put off the light to do something inside, hidingly in the room, but still in that dark room where no other person can see what you are doing, but still who can see you? Yes, God can see you what you are doing there in the dark room. If you go to hide behind the bush or behind the tree, and if you think no one can see you, your sister also can't see you, your brother also can't see you, your friends also can't see you, and you are thinking that I'm hiding there, no one can see me and no one be able to catch me. No, who can see you that you are hiding behind the tree or behind that bush or behind that thickest forest? Who can see you? God can see you. If you lower your voice, He still hears you. Okay? You may talk loudly or you may speak softly, still God can hear you. Just think of anything and He knows it. Okay? You may be just thinking some things. Okay, today evening I will go to play with my friends. You are thinking. You did not tell your parents. You are thinking. So this what we have thought or what we have planned to do in the evening, God knows. Before you could do that, God knows. Okay? Your parents may not know, your other people may not know, but God knows. You cannot keep anything hidden from Him. Okay? We cannot keep anything hidden from Him. He always watches you and also hears whatever you say. Okay? He knows. He can hear you. Okay? He can hear. And He watches you all the time. Be it in your house, be it outside your house. God watches you every moment. He knows what is in your hearts and minds. So God knows what is going on in your mind. Okay, what you are planning to do. whether you are planning to study now, whether you are planning to complete your books, whether you are going to watch TV. So all God knows. God is all knowing. Okay, why God is all knowing? Because God knows everything. Because God knows everything. Okay, only God knows everything. Our parents may not know everything, our brothers sisters may not know everything. Only God knows everything, because God has created you and me. God has created your parents. God has created this whole world. That's why God knows everything. Okay, now for your homework, I request you children to read this lesson number 6. God knows everything at home. Read this lesson aloud. Okay, sit with your books, open this page number 6 and read this lesson at home as many times as you can. Okay, bye.